Welcome to the MBS Engineering channel. Today, we will learn about the grades of conveyor belts. First, we will discuss the M24 grade belt conveyor. Next, we will discuss the N17 grade belt conveyor. In the upcoming slides, we will cover this topic in detail. Next, we will learn and understand the M24 grade conveyor belt. M24 conveyor belts are not only abrasion resistant but also highly resistant to cuts and gouges. They are suitable for conveying materials at normal temperatures, with a maximum of 60 degrees centigrade. These belts provide excellent resistance to cutting and gouging, making them suitable for transporting various types and sizes of materials over short to long distances, and from light to heavy loads. Next, we will learn and understand the application of the M24 grade conveyor belt. They are recommended for conveying heavy, sharp, and highly abrasive materials. Common applications include transporting limestone, granite, blue metal, sandstones, crushed metallic ores, and materials in all mining industries. Next, we will learn and understand the M24 grade belt conveyor explanations. The M24 designation indicates the tensile strength of the belt, which is 24 Newton per square millimeter, or 24 megapascals. Next, we will learn and understand the N17 conveyor belt. N17 conveyor belts are well known for their superior abrasion-resistant properties. They are recommended for transporting less severe and moderately abrasive materials. These belts are also suitable for normal temperature materials, with a maximum temperature of 60 degrees centigrade. Next, we will learn and understand the application of the N17 belt conveyor. Typical applications include conveying bauxite, ash, chalk, cement, fine coal, lime, and asbestos. Next, we will learn and understand the N17 grade conveyor belt explanation. The N17 designation indicates the tensile strength of the belt, which is 17 Newton per square millimeter, or 17 megapascals. We hope this clarifies the grades of M24 conveyor belt, as well as N17 grades conveyor belt and their application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. We appreciate your likes and comments.